Because it was imprisoned, the bird shed tears of fire from its sorrow, which fell onto the man's shoe and pierced it. And the man could not bear to see the bird suffer any longer, so he broke all its chains and set it free. The freed bird shone with a magnificent aura, revealing its beauty. Then, spreading its wings, it flew away, leaving the man a feather of fire as a gift. Months later, by the king's order, the man was brought before the people to receive a severe punishment, and he was asked for his final wish. The man pulled the feather from his pocket and shouted the bird's name at the top of his lungs, but when nothing happened, the king laughed and mocked him. Then, suddenly, the phoenix appeared in the sky in all its splendor to save the man, and it rescued him. If you believe that every good deed is rewarded, give it a like and subscribe.